Hi, I'm back again with two categories of sentences. Listen to them carefully. Sentences of category A. Hey, you're looking gorgeous. That's a lovely dress that you're wearing. 90%. Awesome. I'm so proud of you. Yum cake, wifey. You've done a good job in your project. Now, listen to the sentences of category B. Hey, you're looking gorgeous, but what happened to your hair? That's a lovely dress, but I think you look better in black. 90%. Awesome. But you couldn't beat your cousin's 95. Yum cake, wifey. My mom taught you really well. Good project, but learn better from Nitin. He has been here for around 5 years. Now, which category of sentences do you speak when you are appreciating somebody? Yes, the topic for today is complimenting people the right way. Appreciation to make people feel better. Which category would you put yourself into? Category A or category B? If you appreciate, like the sentences in category B, then you are the person who brings joy and happiness to those whom you are complimenting. And if you compliment like the sentences in category B, then you are a joy stealer. Yes, I am saying a joy stealer because your compliments should be unadulterated. They should be pure. They should not be mixed with doubts and suggestions. When you're complimenting people, there is no need to give suggestions. There is absolutely no need to put doubts in their minds. That's not what they are looking for. Yes, even when you are complimenting your children, when you compliment, let the joy be pure. Do not bring in any doubts or suggestions. Corrections can come later in their own time. A few things that you must remember when you're complimenting. 1, don't overdo it. Otherwise, it will sound fake. Keep it simple, keep it polite. 2, when complimenting, do not compare with the others. This person has done better, but it's okay types. 3, let your expressions match your words. It shouldn't be that you're saying all nice things, but your face is showing that you're going green with envy. And finally, a saying that I really like. Only if you have something nice to say, say. If not, just keep quiet. This is it for today. Next time I come to you and bring to you how to accept compliments, how to accept appreciation. Bye for now. Practice complimenting people and bring joy to their faces. Bye.